Okay, first shot, no good. Nakuha ni. Okay, no good. Okay, nakuha ni Justin. Uy, ang lakas lang. Boss, Joaquin, ready na po kayo. Okay, pinasa. Tumira, no good. Nice rebound, easy two. Score 2-0. Ali, 2 points, scores 0-2. Mukhang mabilis ang pacing ng bagong sali. Score 4-2, lamang ang joiners. Sige, good po yan, hindi ko lang napindot. Okay, no good. Okay, score 6-2. Okay, 2 points by Mike. Score 6-4. Okay, rebound by Justin. Ang ganda ng pasa ni Ali. Ang lakas niya. Ang sayang. Okay. Mukhang lalabanan ng bilis sa bilis. Pero nakuha ni CM. Pull up. It's not good. Pero pasa ka na kay Justin. Sayang. First game, no good. Nakuha. Easy 2. Score 8-4. Ali setting the play. 12 seconds to shoot. Okay. JM, no good. Uy, sayang lumipad. Score 10-4. Anim lang po ang kalamangan ng team joiners. Okay, no good. Bad pass. Medyo malakas lang ng konti. Kuya na good. Score 10-4. Okay, out of bounds by Ali. Loose ball. Oras 4 minutes, 52 seconds. Wala po tayong first ball. No good. Wala. Rebound by Justin na pinasa kay JM. Nakita si CM to Ali. Dumulas ang bola, sayang. Too much hesitation. No good. Okay. Pag itira mo na. Nice hustle by Ali. Ali, 2 points. Score 10-6. Okay, line ball. Score 10-6. Score 10-8. Wala po tayong 5 seconds sa pag-i-inbound. Kaya huwag masyadong magmadali. Nice D by CM. Tumira, 2 points. Score 12-8. Apat ang kalamangan ng team joiners. Okay, nice hustle by Justin. Pinasa. Bad pass. Nakakuha ni Ramos. Ramos mukhang ide-diretso pero nabulang ka. Nakakuha ni JM. No good. Nakakuha ni number 5. Nice hustle by Sir CM. Okay, wala po tayong first ball. Paalala ko lang ulit. Wala po tayong first ball. Ten seconds to shoot. Nadali, pero kapos nakuha ni number 5. 2 points. Score 14-10. Kailangan ng back out ng team regulars. Justin. Nice pass. Okay, 2 points by Ali. Ngayon lang nagkakampi pero napupunta na connection. 2 points. Wow! Sayang na alam na talaga. Mabibilis ang mga team joiners. 2 points. Score 18-12. Anim po kalamaan ng team joiners. Oras 1 minute 40 seconds. Wow! 2 points by Sir CM. Up. Okay ka lang? Oras 1 minute 20 seconds, 14 to shoot. Maganda ang pasahan ng team joiners. Nakuha ni CM to JM. Nice, ang ganda ng cut mo, Ali. Bawi na ng depensa. Number 20, no good. Nakuha na kakampi niya. Pero sayang. Number 5, ang hassle mo sa rebound. Score 20-14. Okay. No good. Last 30 seconds. 14 to shoot. Wala po tayong first ball. Medyo naninibago pa ang team joiners. Sayang lang. Last 22 seconds. No need to jelly. Basta ma-shoot. Nice rebound. Score 22-14. Walo na naman ang inahabol. Ramos. No good. Nakuha ni 5 seconds. 3 seconds. Number 5, lista mo na. Okay. Score 24-14. Bola ng regulars. Score 24-14 in favor of team joiners. Okay, back to the ball game. Bola nyo, Justin. Bola po nila, sir. Remind ko, both teams may dalawang timeout. Second half, change court. Kanila bola. Depensa po kayo, sir. Lamang po kayo ng 10. Makaka-recover pa ba ang team regulars? Okay. Good na po yan, ha? Remind ko lang. No good. Nakuha ni Ramos. Ramos na istindi number 5. Grabe si number 5. Okay, no good. Rebound by Justin. ZM, pinasa kay Ramos. Ramos, 3. Score 17-24, 2 points by bumabawi agad, pero na-steal. Score 17-28, grabe si number 5. Ali. Nakita si JM. JM to Ali. 2 points by Ali. Score 19-28. Steal by CM, nakuha. Medyo malakas lang, pero may percent ba ni Ali? Ali, 2 points. Score 21-28. Pito na po inahabol ng regulars. Nice hustle by number 5. Binubuhat ni number 5 ang team joiners. Ali. Ali pull up is good. 23-30. Two points again by number 5. Grabe, parang naglalaro lang yung sa time zone na. Score 23-32. Okay, nawala ang bola. Nakuha. Oh, sayang. 2 points. Score 23-34. Bad pass. Kala ko makukuha pa rin number 5 yun eh. Ali. Pinasa kay CM. CM, no good. Okay, line ball na daw, line ball. Labas ka na po, line ball. Kirby, pwede magpabili. Okay, good. Okay, 2 points. Kapapasok lang, naka 2 points agad yun. Score 23-36, 13 na po. Kada score ng team regulars may sinasagot ng team joiners. Oras 5 minutes 8 seconds. Ali, 2 minutes. Okay, 2 points by Ali. Score 25-36. Transition lang kailangan. Score 25-38. Okay. Justin. 2 points by Justin. Score 27-38. Remind ko, may 5 seconds tayo kapag kawit ng bola. Okay, fall down. Tawag po agad ang number 20, no good, nakuha ni Justin. Last 4 minutes. Justin, dire-diretso. Justin, ang lakas lang. Nice big win, number 5. 2 points by number 5. Grabe. Nagpas kalahati ng utos ng Team Joiners na gagaling kay number 5. Ramos. Pinasa kay Justin. Justin, easy to. Score 29-40. 11 lang yan. Oras 3 minutes 30 seconds. No good. Okay, 2 points by JM. Score 31-40. 12 seconds to shoot. Nice pass. Tumira pero no good. Nakuha ni Justin. Justin to JM. No good. Nakuha ni JM. JM umikot. No good. Ang alat. Number 5, sinetang bola. Remind ko lang, may backcourt tayo. Okay, last touch by Ramos. 13 seconds. 10 seconds. No good. Last touch by number 5. Okay, time out. Team regulars. Wala na po silang timeout. Oras 2 minutes 31 seconds. 2 minutes 31. Siyam lang ha. 31-40.
Kaya pa yan.
Bola po ng regulars. Oras 2 minutes 31 seconds. Pinasa.
Ito.
Okay. Dos ba yun? Okay. 33-40. Pito na lang po ang hinahabol. Number 5. Ang ganda nun. Unselfish play by Team Joiners. Oras 2 minutes remaining. No good. Nakuha ng Team Joiners. Pinasa kay number 20. Ang ganda ng pasa mo. Number 20 sinayang lang. Pero bumawi ng depensa. Number 20 sinigurado na. Score 33-44 siya. 11 ang hinahabol. 11. Ali, nakuha ni number 5. Number 5. Okay, 2 points. Score 33-46. JM, no good. Okay, mukhang magtataka. 2 points. Score 33-48, 15. Oras, 1 minute, 1 seconds. Nagkaroon na po talaga ng separation. Pero magkakahimala ba? Justin, medyo malakas lang. Last 48 seconds.
48 seconds sa lang. Bilis ah.
Last 40 seconds.
Busa oras. Nembeng.
No good. Nakuha. Okay, number. No good.
Apa?
Isa pa ba? No good again.
Ulit.
Last 20 seconds.
Dakdak mo, boss.
Mukhang maalat sila. Last 13 seconds.
Kawantan na.
Okay, game.